Hello everyone! How are you all doing? Ready for a breakfast that's breaking records? Today we're going to make the most delicious pork belly sandwich in the world. So, Ibai, take note. And before anyone gets intense in the comments, calm down, calm down. This is my version of the pork belly sandwich, or pan con chicharrón, with my personal touch. If your aunt or neighbor makes it differently, even better. That way you can try several versions. Look at this, 1 kilogram of pork ribs, the hidden gem of pork. The secret is to score the ribs well. This way we can easily extract the bones, everything separates effortlessly. But come on, a kilo is for beginners. Knowing my sweet tooth followers, let's add another ½ kilo of pork loin. No one goes hungry here. Now, the foundation of everything, the brine. In a large bowl, 2 liters of water plus 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix and submerge the meat. Patience, because this step is worth gold. 2 hours of rest and you'll have a flavor you won't forget. While the pork rests, we'll prepare the elixir that will transform it. 200 milliliters of soy sauce, an ounce of pisco, or beer, light, dark, you call the shots, and also a tablespoon of pepper. Pro tip, don't add salt here. The brine has already done its job. Those 2 hours have passed, let's get to the heat. In a pot, half an onion and 3 cloves of garlic. We cook the meat for an hour or until it's tender. We remove the bones and, without fear, straight into the marinade. Let it bathe for a good while. A few hours wouldn't hurt. If you can, all night is even better. Meanwhile, you can't forget the classic side, 2 yellow sweet potatoes. Peel, cut, and fry them in hot oil. Look at that intense orange color. When they're ready, place them on absorbent paper so they come out perfect and dry. Now's the time. The marinated pork goes straight into the oil. We just need that spectacular golden color and to hear the best sound in the world. While the pork belly rests, let's make the salsa criolla. Cut a red onion into julienne strips, put it in water with salt to take some of the bite out, add finely chopped ají limo, salt, pepper, the juice of half a lemon, and spearmint cut with your hand so it doesn't oxidize. How fresh! The grand finale has arrived. We'll cut some of the pork. Wow! How awesome! Place the fried sweet potatoes, the golden and juicy pork belly, and on top, that delicious and crunchy salsa criolla. See it? It's edible art! Wow! How yummy! Family, this pork belly sandwich is a hug for the soul. If you liked it, give me a like, share it, and tell me if you're brave enough to prepare it. Enjoy your meal.